Okay, now we're going to talk about diminished seventh chords. The primary way to resolve a diminished seventh chord is the leading tone resolution. We've been working in G minor, and the diminished seventh chord is built on scale degree 7, and so it's F sharp, A, C, E flat. Now the root of a diminished seventh chord is always the leading tone in the key. So in this case, F sharp. F sharp, A, C, E flat. And it would resolve to G, B flat, D, the 1 chord. Now if you look at this diminished seventh chord and you say to yourself, what if this A is the root? Then it would be A, C, E flat, G flat, but the G flat now is down at the bottom, so it's G flat, and then A, C, E flat. So it's A, C, E flat, G flat. And if you have that, thinking of that A as the root, it could resolve to B flat major or minor. So if we start off in G minor, and we play a diminished 7, we could actually go to B flat instead of G minor, and that would sound like 1, because we took this diminished 7th and reinterpreted it. Any 4 of these notes could actually be a leading tone. This C could be the root, and if it was the root, it would be C, E flat, G flat, B double flat, and it would go to D flat, major or minor, and it would resolve that way. So in G minor, if we take it like that, you've got this diminished chord, and then you take the C as the root, and we've now resolved and modulated to D flat. So we've taken F sharp as the root, A as the root, C as the root. E flat can also be the root. But now E flat is not the leading tone in any key, so we have to think of it as a D sharp. And if it's D sharp, this would be spelled D sharp, F sharp, A, C. And that will resolve to some kind of E, maybe E minor or E major. So starting off in G minor, 1, 4, 5, 1. We play the diminished 7th chord, and we take this now as the root, and we go to some kind of E. So there's 4 places where that single chord can go, and starting off in G minor, playing that chord, F sharp, A, C, E flat, we can go to some kind of G, we can go to some kind of B flat, we can go to some kind of D flat or C sharp, and we can go to some kind of E. A half step above any of those notes can be the resolution, and the resolution would be the new key.